Hey, what's going on YouTube? Joseph White here, and you're watching another episode of the J-Dub Twins. Today I have with me the Bright Pedal Kit that you will use to replace the rubber pads on your accelerator and brake pedals. These are part of the Plus package if you order that optional for your vehicle. For me, I had the Plus package added to my 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack Widebody. So you can request that the dealership install these prior to you picking up your new car. I quite frankly forgot I even had these. I forgot they even came with the car, so when I popped open the trunk, they were in a random box, and I had no idea what was in them until I actually read the labeling on it that said the Bright Pedal Kit. So what I'll do is I'll put on the GoPro, do a point of view installation, and do a before and after comparison. So let's get after it. They seem to be made out of a brushed steel, aluminum or something, but I think it'll be better than what I currently have on with the rubber pads. Because with the rubber pads, you get debris kind of stuck in the rubber slots, where of course these are all spaced out. They won't catch debris, in the same way. So let's see. So we've got the original rubber pads here, the brake and accelerator, and yeah, this doesn't look like it comes off. This one though, I can feel how the rubber's fitting in the back. So let's see if we can finagle this off here. There we go. So I hope it goes on just as easily as this one came off. Because of the fact that the whole thing's made out of rubber, it's more pliable. That's probably why it came off easily. We'll see how this one works. I'll maybe start with the top. Let's see if we can't. Fitting it around the sides. I can see how this gets frustrating. So I actually looked up in forums. A lot of people actually did say that this thing is a bit of a jerk to get on. Of course, I didn't want to believe it. But here I am, finding myself struggling. So we might have to just take a step back, reset. I still need to get the top on. We'll do that in a second. In the meantime though, let's see if we can't snap on the accelerator pedal. This one looks like it fits on. What I'll do is I'll hook this portion in first, and then I'll snap on the right side. So it looks like it does. Simple. Accelerator pad. There you go. Yep. Hey, that's in. That's in. These boys, we'll see. Well, just taking a step back for a second. You saw how it looked just before I put them on. And now you see how they look after I put these on. And you can already see it's an improvement, so I know I'm gonna like it. Just a matter of making sure I secure that one.
20 minutes later.
Finally got them installed. So, there they go. Here, I didn't have to use this. But the installation was a lot harder than I thought it would be. Yeah, I had to say a couple prayers, sold my soul to the devil, ironically, lost a couple fingers. No, it did eat up my fingers. I don't know if you can really see. I'm trying to put them in the camera here. But worth it though. No, they're good. They're in there, they're solid. I will say, it takes time, patience. Maybe soap and water would have helped. I just didn't want to do it. I thought it would cause me to slip more than it would help me, cause my fingers to slip, although it's supposed to slip onto the pedal there. But anyways, cool.